I'm Mariah, and today we're going to be talking about what balloons I use to create a balloon garland. First and foremost, you're going to want to use latex balloons. There are a few brands that I specifically like. I will list them here, and there are a few other brands that you can definitely check out. Once you find a brand that you like, you're going to want to make sure you get a variation of sizes. So we have our standard 11 inches, we have our 18 inches, and we have some 5 inches. So these are the 3 sizes that I recommend for every balloon garland installation. There are also a few larger sizes than the 18 that you can add to your garlands if you are doing an installation that's a little bit larger. Lastly, you're gonna want a variation in colors. So I usually like to do a minimum of 3 different colors. This just helps to avoid any patterns in your balloon garland. If you want to really create an eye-catching moment with your balloon garlands, you can add some extra balloons with a little bit more detail. You can add things like balloons with prints on them. You can do something like orbs or stars, or maybe some lights. Try and think outside the box to give your balloon garland its own original character. I hope this video was helpful, and to learn some more balloon tips and tricks, go ahead and check out these videos.